Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. So today I'm just trying to do a quick breakdown of this Electrolux water heater. The model is, let me see. Yep. EWE361GXDW. This is an electric water heater, no pump. And as you can see, if you follow my last videos, this is broken. It turns on, but it won't heat out the water. And then we got the technician to come, but he could not fix it on the spot because he says the board is damaged and needs another 180 ringgit to fix it. I mean, when he come and check alone, it already cost us 80 ringgit. So that's why I switched to Panasonic. And to be honest, this thing broke down in 1 year, and before that, it's already, shutting off itself, and then you have to keep clicking this reset button. I got really annoyed and then just replaced the whole unit. Yeah, so if you want to see my Panasonic unboxing and setup, you can follow my previous video and watch it. But here is just a quick breakdown of this Electrolux water heater, and just to see the interior design stuff. So yeah, as you can see, there's a screw here. I've already removed it. Yeah, so usually there's a screw down here for you to pull out the cover, and the wire comes off top, which is a unique design because the Panasonic ones come up from the side. So if your electric points are above it, then it's actually a better design for in this case the Electrolux. And as you can see, this is the water inlet and this is the water outlet. Yeah, this click is very prominent. You can hear it loud and clear. Yeah, 2 buttons here, 5 years of warranty for the heating element, 10 years for tank leakage. And that's the bad thing about it, because the general warranty is only 1 year and the board is damaged, so I can't even claim warranty. So yeah, and it's also more expensive to get a technician to come and replace the board than to buy a new unit. So yeah. But without further ado, let me just open this cover and let's see what's inside. So it's a very normal cover, that's all. Yeah, interesting. So this is the knob itself. Maybe I can turn it this way. So as you can see, the water goes in here, gets hit, and then goes out here. Here's the screw itself still here, and the heat tank is actually very small, to be honest, and it is made of plastic, I believe, but it's a very thick and strong plastic. I believe, not quite sure what kind of plastic is it, but yeah, it's actually, if you look at it, it's actually quite a simple design. I mean, because this is without pump, so it does looks a bit simple. And it says the board is damaged, but to be honest, you can't tell, if you just open it up yourself. Yeah, this appliance must be off, switch off at minutes before service. Yeah, and then this is the knob itself to turn the heat. I like this knob. This sounds like a high quality knob. This Panasonic one used a very soft one and very smooth one. This one is a lot harder to turn on, and the click sound is very satisfying. But yeah, here's the board. And you see a lot of capacitor. I'm not a technician or electrician, so I don't know what these are, and I don't know what are the components on this board, but I can tell you, the technician charges 180 ringgit just to replace this board. So wow, I mean, I can get a new one for 200 or even 300, and this is still better than this, I guess. And yeah, this is the quick board for the reset button, and then the what else, the test button. So yeah, and then the wire goes up here to the upper part, and then here, this is the heat tank. Yeah, so a very simple design, but everything has become plastic. Yeah, nothing else on the back, just some screw points. Yeah, that's about it. So so the water goes in here, I believe, gets accumulated here, and then there's a heat pipe going down into the pipe here, and the power is controlled by this knob, which is also controlled by the board. And then if it turns on, then there's a LED indicator here. The reset buttons doesn't come loose, those are all quite in place, and then the water flows out here. So if you have a pump here, then I believe there will be a different structure. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this away, you know, for your recycling purposes. But yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to watch my new water heater, check out my Panasonic jet pump, non-jet pump series. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.